The ultimate Black Friday bargain is about to unlock. Imagine securing your home with the highly rated Yale Smart Lock 2 for less than $120. But will this dream deal become a reality? As the chilly winter approaches, the desire for a cozy and secure home intensifies. A smart lock is the perfect solution, offering both convenience and peace of mind. And with Black Friday on the horizon, we're eagerly anticipating the best deals on these innovative devices. The Yale Smart Lock 2 is a standout favorite, and here's why. It's incredibly user-friendly. From the moment you unbox it, installation is a breeze. Say goodbye to fumbling with keys and hello to keyless entry. But the flexibility is what's truly impressive. You can unlock your door with your voice, a keypad, or even automatically via an app. Forgot your key? No worries, your phone has got you covered. Here's the game changer. If you're a renter, this smart lock is a dream come true. It's completely temporary and discreet, ensuring your landlord remains none the wiser. No permanent modifications, no issues with rental agreements. Now the big question. Will we witness a record-breaking price drop on Black Friday? The current lowest price is $120, but it's been known to dip even lower. With its list price at $259.99, a significant discount would be a massive win for shoppers. And let's not forget, Black Friday is the prime time for smart home deals. But here's where it gets controversial. Is a smart lock a necessity or a luxury? Are we sacrificing privacy for convenience? Share your thoughts in the comments below.